Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nail Art. I know it's been a very long time and I said I was going to film more videos and then I didn't, but here I am back with another video after a long time because, now I finally have time to do stuff because of quarantine. So here I'm going to show you how to do these cute little Easter chick nails. As you can probably already tell, I started off with a base coat and now I'm just doing yellow for the base color. So next up, I'm applying a quick dry top coat so I can start the design. Now to start the actual design, I'm taking white nail polish, and this white nail polish actually has a detail brush already in the bottle, but you could just use a regular detail brush that's separate. And I'm starting off by doing the eggshells on the bottom, which is just going to look like a zigzag line, and then I'm going to fill it in. Now for the next step, I'm going to take these dotting tools and then I'm going to do the white part of the eyeballs. Next, I'm taking a separate detail brush because the line for the beak is going to be smaller than the lines for the eggshell, and I'm going to take white and I'm going to do like a base before I put the orange on because the orange won't show up that well on the yellow. Now after that white is dry, I'm going to take orange and I'm just going to paint orange over the white on the beak. Now with my smaller dotting tool, I'm taking black nail polish and I'm doing the black part of the eyeballs. And now to finish up the design, I'm taking the smallest part of the dotting tool and I'm finishing up the eyes. And now finally, I'm sealing everything in with a top coat. Well, that is all guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you like the video, and make sure you comment any suggestions for my next design in the comments. Bye!